Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need high frame rate footage and the right project settings. Start by importing 60-240 FPS clips, then set your timeline to the target playback frame rate, for example, 24 or 30 FPS. Once done, apply a basic speed change to slow the clip to the desired percentage, 50% or 25%, so the engine has room to create extra frames. Make sure to enable any optical flow or frame interpolation toggle now. This is where smoothness is generated, not later. Now refine the interpolation to prevent artifacts. Enable optical flow, then switch from 1-pass to 2-pass where available. 2-pass analyzes motion more accurately for complex movement. If you see warping, create masks around fast objects and render those regions separately, because motion vectors can miscalculate overlapping motion. Also add subtle motion blur to hide micro-judder. It helps the eye accept synthesized frames. Once you've made these adjustments, export short previews at full quality to confirm results before full render. Finish by exporting with your timeline FPS and a high bitrate using a modern codec like H.264 or ProRes. This preserves the interpolation detail. If you notice ghosting or warps, reduce interpolation strength, switch to frame blending for those shots, or isolate and retime them manually with subframe keyframes. For persistent stutter, reconstruct the clip, conform to a different FPS, or reshoot at higher FPS. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, render a short, isolated test clip while toggling interpolation settings until you identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.